Do you want to erase everything and restart? Let's learn the tabula rasa secret from these 5 idioms. Number 1. Wipe the slate clean. It means to forget past errors and begin anew. Example: the couple agreed to wipe the slate clean and rebuild their relationship. Number 2. New lease on life. It means a renewed sense of energy or purpose, like being reborn. Example: retiring early gave her a new lease on life, full of travel adventures. Number 3. Blank slate. It means a situation or person with no preconceptions or history, ready for anything. Example: the young entrepreneur treated the startup as a blank slate for innovation. Number 4. Dawn of a new era. It means the beginning of a significantly different and improved period. Example: the policy change marked the dawn of a new era in workplace equality. Number 5. Tabula rasa. It means a mind or situation cleared of past impressions, open to new ideas. Example: entering college felt like tabula rasa. She could reinvent herself completely. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.